How to fix Capcut animation not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix Capcut animation not showing. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right in. So if your CapCut's animation is not working, there can be few reasons to it. First is your Wi-Fi not working. So make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi. You can also use your mobile data if your Wi-Fi is not working, or simply change the connection that you're on. After you've done that, you might want to just go to your settings, scroll to general. On general, head over to iPhone storage, and on your iPhone storage, simply search for CapCut. So search for CapCut and open that up and simply offload the app. What will happen after you offload the app is all of the cache from your CapCut will get deleted, and then you can reinstall the app. You'll get the reinstall button right here instead of the CapCut offload button, and you can simply reinstall it and use it. That should fix your problem, but if it does not fix your problem, simply head over to your app store, search for CapCut, and check for updates. So if you see an update button instead of open, tap on the update button and update your app. Updating the app might fix the problem which is causing your animation to not show. And that's the fix for it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and